Hey there, gamers! Are you looking for the ultimate gaming experience? Look no further, because we've got just the thing for you. Introducing the Factory 24/27-inch i7 screen gaming computer PC with Wi-Fi all-in-one PC. This incredible all-in-one PC comes equipped with an i7 CPU, 16GB of RAM, and your choice of either a 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB hard drive. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this gaming PC is ready to take your gaming to the next level. But that's not all. Not only does this PC deliver top-notch gaming performance, it also features a 24-inch screen, making for an immersive gaming experience like no other. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you'll have no trouble connecting to your favorite online games. We understand the importance of customer satisfaction, and that's why we strive for 100% satisfaction with every purchase. If you're happy with your new gaming PC, we'd love to hear about it. Leave us a 5-star review. And if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help, and we will do everything we can to make things right. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming setup today with the Factory 24/27-inch i7 screen gaming computer PC with Wi-Fi all-in-one PC. Click the link in the description to get yours now and take your gaming to the next level.